Good evening, guys. This is trading channel in which we are going to analyze in 5 minutes about Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as USDINR. Today, we'll also look at some of the global markets and global news happen in the current week. So, if we know that the SVB Bank as well as the Signature Bank failed this current week and it has caused a banking crisis in the US. They are among the biggest banks in the US, which result in the collapse, as well as this around yesterday and day before yesterday the Credit Suisse Bank kind of failed, but Switzerland central bank supported as a lender, and which triggered a kind of a rally from the lowest point, which was around 1.78, and it rose up around 10. It was around minus 25%, and from there it went to minus 13%, and right now it is around that. So this was the three major banking collapse, and this can result into more banking collapse as the inflation rates are going on. And if the inflation rate still goes on, then we can see more bank fails. But has more bank fails than US market as well as the Europe market can result into a monetary easing in the monetary policies, so which can eventually bring the liquidity in the banks and can see a rally both as well as US market, Europe market, and in Indian market. So Indian market kind of fall from it kind of broke the major support level, which was around 17300. It held the two times, and again it came the third time, which was eventually came for the breakage of the 17300, but we didn't know why it was breaking the 17300, which eventually resulted into support near the major support zone, that is around 16800, and it kind of took a support and formed the doji from there. We'll look if it doesn't break the parallel channel, then we can possibly see some recovery till 17300. If it breaks the channel, then we can again test the support of 16800 support zone. Bank Nifty kind of looks like that it has given a bullish rummy in a daily time frame, and kind of looks like that it can touch 39800 if the bullish harami comes into effect in a daily time frame in a bank nifty. If the global conditions overall kind of looks like that stabilizes, so bank nifty and nifty. So nifty has formed a doji candle, which is a kind of a indecisive candle, and on expiry has nifty was fallen around consecutively falling around 5 days, so it was kind of people booked the profit today as there was an expiry. So for bank nifty has formed a bullish hammer, not a bullish hammer, bullish harami candle, which is kind of a reversal candle, but there is a resistance of around 39500 as well as 39800. So from there we can eventually see again a fall, and most likely if we look at the bigger picture, then most likely the bank nifty can go again around 39800, 37500, sorry, and we can potentially see again a reversal from there. And so that can be a bigger picture, that it looks like a bank nifty can test as 37500, has the weekly closing maybe around, if weekly closing is around this level, so it will be give a confirmation to the bullish bearish harami. and we can eventually see 37,500 levels. If we look at the USD INR, then USD INR is around the upside trend line, and if it shows the reversal from there, then it's a well for the good side, and if it breaks the trend line of on the upside, then we can see a next all-time high. So verdict for Dow Jones and USD/INR. So bullish if it breaks on the upside trend line, and bearish if shows the some reversal sign. For Dow Jones, so Dow Jones is at the bottom of the channel, and if it takes the support, then we can see some upside and some recovery in the market. But if it breaks the channel, then we can see a major support that is around 31,200. If we look at the Nasdaq, so Nasdaq shows kind of a breakage on the upside in the Nasdaq futures, and shows that it can continue the upside movement, but we'll have to wait and watch if that it doesn't come again in the channel. If it doesn't come again in the channel, then that's a positive sign for the Nasdaq, and we could see some recovery. So one of the best thing happened during this crisis that Brent crude oil prices went down heavily, massively. So it's a kind of good news for our Indian market, and if it holds the channel in a Nifty, then we can possibly see some recovery. So overall verdict and trades will be stay cautious on market and watch Nifty level at 16,800. If it doesn't break, then that's a well strong sign of Nifty and recovery sign. Bank Nifty can correct further if not able to break 39,800. So watch the price action and go according to it. Don't take any major side current, because market can tilt any one of the side again. So wait and watch or take a trade on the price action. So thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.